Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you whether you can buy stuffs on the Shein application using your Cash App. So let's get started right away. Let's open up the Shein application first. And when you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials and you will be logged in and taken into the shop page from which you can directly start buying various different items. Now, when you proceed with buying any stuff from the checkout menu, you will see various different payment methods. This includes PayPal, credit and debit card, as well as Google Pay, which means that Cash App is not an option. If you click on the Me icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on Settings at the top right, within the gear icon, you will find the My Payment Options section. Go ahead and click on it, and within this page, you will see the option to add your credit or debit card. However, there is no option for Cash App. So if you really wish to use your Cash App funds within your Shein account, then you will need to transfer those funds into your credit or debit card and then link this credit or debit card with the Shein application. And with this elongated method, you will be able to use your Cash App funds in order to buy on the Shein app. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about buying on the Shein application using Cash App. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.